3, 2, 1. Jonathan, how'd y'all meet?
Well, her mom wanted to talk to my mom, so she came up to the church office, and I met her out in the parking lot of out in the old sanctuary, parking lot of the old sanctuary.
All right, cool. Emily, what do you remember about that day?
I remember his Hawaiian shirt and him sitting or standing underneath the telephone pole, and he looked really cute.
This was a long time ago.
Hawaiian shirt.
He had a Hawaiian shirt on.
Ah,
And I was shorter than her. I mean, this was a real long
And he
time.
was shorter than me.
yeah. Emily, how did he ask you to marry him?
He proposed to me on Valentine's Day a couple years ago, and he always told me that he would never propose to me on an obvious holiday, so I totally didn't expect it.
What do you remember about that day, Jonathan?
She said yes. So I got real happy.
Where were y'all at?
Well, we had to go to Shabbat that weekend, so I tried to play it all out. Like, we'd go, out to eat and get ready and do all this stuff and do something nice. And then I set it up at my mom's house, actually. I went in there and got everybody to leave.
Favorite songs?
Yeah, I had little CDs that I made her throughout the years. And I got her this little gift basket. And I was like, man, Emily, I got to run by my house before we go eat. We just need to do it. I said, I got to get some stuff. And she was like, what are we doing? Why do we have to go by your house? So she kind of got confused by that. But we finally went and walked in, there's little candles lit everywhere and the little music playing and stuff. And I bring out that little basket.
Candy.
And it's got the ring in it. And she's like, man, what in the world? And it caught her off guard, and I got down on one knee and asked her to marry me, and she said yes. And then we went to eat.
What's love got to do with it?
Everything.
Everything. Can't make it without love.